Hello YouTube, my name is Leighton Malloy, aka King Bobbers, and today we have something very cool to review. We have a Bluetooth speaker from good old popchose. So this thing is 16 inches. It is a big Bluetooth speaker. It comes in many colors. The one I have today is black. I know it comes in black, gray, and blue. I chose black because it is a very central color. So let's go over the speaker. One, it is big, 16 inches. It's huge. Second, it is Bluetooth and also has an auxiliary hole on it. So, what you can do with the auxiliary hole, you can plug into other stuff that you can't connect Bluetooth. It does say it is a Bluetooth soundbar, but we'll talk about that later. So what do I think of this soundbar? Well, let me tell you this. It is big and long. I look at it as a luxurious soundbar. This ain't your everyday man's Bluetooth speaker because it's big. When I think of a Bluetooth speaker, I think of the little small thing that's rugged, that, you know, you go to a campfire. This looks to me like an entertainment stand. It's durable, it's long, it produces good sound, sounds good on your country music.
Is still a person. He has feelings. It's okay to just have your feelings. That doesn't mean you get ripped or, oh, cry me a river. Like I just told my homeboy, it sucks sometimes. That's all right.
All right, P.I.
Be a river like I just told my homeboy. It sucks sometimes. That's all right.
P.I. really quickly because
Your rock and roll. It sounds good on anything. So some of the feature it has is it has an M mode, so you can change it between Bluetooth and auxiliary, and it has a radio in it. And on the sides, it has an up and down switch. My bad. On the sides, it has a play, a pause, a skip, a volume up, and a back button, and a volume down. So let's go turn this on. When you turn it on, you'll get a greeting that sounds something like this. And then if you hit M,
Bluetooth mode,
when that's enabled.
FM mode,
That's the
Bluetooth
rating.
mode,
And when you plug an aux in it, it says that. And, jeez. And on the back of it, it has a TF. It has an LED. It has a USB thing. And it has a charge thing and an aux. It has... Well, it says it has 8 hours. But let me tell you this. I have not needed to charge it since I got it. So, if it's not 8 hours, it's 5 hours, it's a long time. Now, I said and on the package it says Bluetooth soundbar. I was unable to give my full review on the soundbar because none of my TV has an aux in it. And I don't have a Bluetooth receiver on my TV or anything like that. So using it as a soundbar on the TV is possible. You just got to make sure you have an aux cord on your TV, or you have the red and white cables to plug it like that. So I say to use it as a soundbar, you cannot use it as a soundbar out of the box unless your TV has an aux on it. But let me tell you, it is the best Bluetooth speaker I have ever heard. I know it's kind of expensive. As of recording, it is $50. And I see most Bluetooth speakers cost anywhere from like $20 on up. So, is it worth $50 to me today? Can I fully recommend this $50? Well, let me tell you, this is how I got my valuation. I have a dead-end job at McDonald's where I make minimum wage, which is about $8-10 an hour. So to make $50, I have to work quite a number of hours. So I basically at work probably, let's see, 8 times 8 is 64, and that's before taxes. So 8 times 5 is 40. So let's say roughly 7 hours. Do I think it's worth 7 hours of work? I actually say yes, because I do think this is a luxury Bluetooth speaker, and I'm a gamer, so you could hook this up to, say, your computer. That's where I think the value is hooking it up to, say, something like your computer, or using it, or basically, I sleep a lot and I like to take naps, so I hook it up to my iPad that's Bluetooth and listen to sports radio, and it sounds much better than my other speaker. So I highly recommend the popchose speaker. The link is in the description below. I hope you like this review. And what can I say, guys? I'm back. Mr. King Bobber's back. And no, I didn't let Eddie touch this. He wanted to. Crazy Eddie couldn't touch it. So I'm King Bobber. So have a wonderful day, and Bob me and the Bobbers. I recommend this. It's good. It's super, super, duper, duper good. When the lights go down in the city, I like the city. I'm King Bob, like the city.